Hey, hey!
Get down.
Let's cut the chase here. What we heard was mostly fake. See, guns sound surprisingly boring in real life. That's because most of us just know guns from Guns and movies, and that's just not how they sound. They are often just loud, dull, and their characteristics only shine in the right environment. So they are enhanced to better transport what the viewer or listener is looking for. Certain feeling, emotions, and an expectation is tied to that sound. By the way, sounds are not the only thing of media which are enhanced for various reasons. For example, think of food photography, where motor oil is used instead of maple syrup to be put on pancakes because it just looks better, and the goal of the food photography is to look appetizing to the viewer. Call it fake, call it freedom of expression or artistic license, but for us as content creators, those types of enhancements serve a special purpose for us. We want to trigger certain emotions and feelings if you're watching our show, listening to our music, or playing our video games. Therefore, when we introduce sounds to our games, that's exactly what we are looking for, triggering special emotions and feelings. For guns in particular, there are a few things we are trying to achieve here. Taking actions in games will have consequences. A secret exit might be opened, a treasure might have been found, or an enemy sensed our presence. We need to give the player some kind of feedback how to get knowledge about what's happening. A good example of this is Diablo 2, where you can open a treasure chest and a snaring sound will sometimes occur, indicating you just activated the trap. So for a gun, this means the player should hear when he's shooting, he should get some kind of feedback when the magazine is empty, or if he hits something. When firing a gun as the player, you want to inflict damage. You are the badass. Therefore, the gun must transport this feeling by letting you know you are the badass and you have the coolest weapon in the game. When being shot at from an enemy, the player should fear or respect that situation. When you put under fire, you are under stress. You need to take immediate action to avoid any further damage. We are implementing the first version of a battle system for our upcoming video game, and therefore we needed some gun sounds. Luckily, I know some hunters and I was able to record their gun noises. But that was recorded with my phone, therefore some sound details are missing, and we were also not able to shoot anything, so these sounds are also missing. And it was only a pistol and a rifle, so a shotgun is also missing. That's why I decided to create my own shotgun sounds from scratch here in the studio. I took a whole bunch of household items and also an old BB toy gun to get a broader range of sounds from which I will be able to create my own shotgun sounds. Support your local breweries. After putting these sounds through a whole bunch of effects, as well as adding some free sounds from the internet into the mix, here's what I came up with. So the hit sound is not final yet, because it very much depends on what type of thing you are hitting. And another thing which has to be considered when implementing these sounds into the game is that guns or sounds in general sound very different depending on the location you are in. A church might sound very different than an open field. I'm still making up my mind what a good solution to this problem would be. So we can either create a bunch of different variations of the same sound, or maybe we implement some kind of reverb algorithm into the game engine so we can adjust it to the situation however we like. Since I used some free sounds, All the sounds created for this video will be available for download with the link below. That's it for today. In the next episode of Sound Design Session, I will be creating a healing type of sound effect. If you enjoyed this video and don't want to miss out on the next video, consider subscribing, leave a comment below if you liked, and if you didn't like, let me also know. Stay tuned and be safe and healthy. Bye.